Hey everyone! Today we are going to be talking about how to take your project a step further by contacting an expert to learn more about your problem and discuss how your solution can be utilized in the field. If your team hasn't finalized a solution, it's important to state that in your form of communication. We will be going over the basics of writing and emailing an expert today. Experts have a set of niche information, and you can learn more about the field from them.
If you have identified your project's problem and solution, it is now important to decide on two questions. Number 1, how many experts does your team want to contact? And number 2, what fields are these experts in? I would recommend contacting several experts in case a few don't respond, and only talking to experts relating to the topic of your project. After you've finished researching the type of expert you want to contact, it's now time to find the contact information and write up an email. This can be done in a few quick and easy steps. Number 1, you can search your project's topic and experts near me. For example, sea turtle experts near me. Many websites will show up with contact information and an inquiry tab, which is where you can paste your message. Another option for contacting experts is to find their specific information on a website and email them directly. This way, you can get a better idea of who you're talking to and their area of expertise.
Now to begin writing your email. First, start off with a formal greeting like "Dear" or "To whom it may concern." Then, give a brief description of what FLL's mission is and what the project is. Your experts should have some context behind the questions. Next, begin describing the solution your team came up with to the selected problem. This part of your email is the most important, so it's necessary to provide all the details you can. Detailed descriptions, pictures if you have prototyped a model, and diagrams would all be very helpful for your expert to have a better understanding of your project. If you don't have a finalized solution yet, that is fine. Just be sure to describe your possible ideas in depth so your expert can understand each idea and give an educated opinion that gives your team insight into the field and the problem.
End it off by asking your experts a series of questions. These typically will vary from topic to topic, but these are some of the basics. And finally, set up a time to meet in person if possible or over the phone to talk in more detail about your solution. A lot more information can be provided during a meeting and gives the opportunity for a quick response to follow-up questions. Remember to send these emails off early in your season since experts are busy too. A link to the email template is in this QR code, and good luck in your upcoming season.